everyone, my name is Cindy and I'm a Patron Services Associate here at the library, and today I'm going to show you how to access and use the Kentucky Virtual Library, otherwise known as KYVL. KYVL is a consortia of different libraries and institutes that offer you access to dozens of different databases, encyclopedia, and other information sources. And it is free for you to use at the library, or really from anywhere, and I'm going to show you how to access it. So first off, you're going to start here at our library's homepage at pspl.org, and then you're going to go to Research. There's actually a few different ways to access KYVL from this page, but I think the easiest way is to go to Books and Literature and to scroll down until you see KYVL. And then you click on it, and here you are at the KYVL homepage. If you actually want a really good understanding of how to use KYVL, I do recommend that you spend some time going around the website and looking at these various resources. But for today, I'm just going to show you three main access points. The first one is KYVL Quick Search, which you see is up here at the top. The next one are these tabs with pull-down menus here. And then finally, these 6 groups. We're going to start with these 6 groups. So these 6 groups are helpful if there is a particular age group that you want to find resources for. For example, our college and adult learners, you might just want to click on this drop-down menu to find GED prep or college resources. K-12 students will want to look at elementary and high school resources and middle school resources. And by clicking on any of these hyperlinks, for example, elementary resources, you're going to find resources that are specifically tailored for your age group. You can then click on them and go through them and try to find different information. For example, if we click on Britannica School Elementary, we get to our login page. You'll need to access the library. You'll need to give us a call to get the actual login information, but we're happy to share that username and password with you. I already have it saved, so I can just click Login. Please don't click Request Password. Instead, please just give us a call at the library. But once you're logged in, you're going to be able to go to that specific resource, and you're going to be able to access all of their resources. And it is the exact same password for each one of these databases, so you don't have to keep asking us what it is. But I'd like to show you the other access points. So here I am back at KYVL, and we're looking at the tabs. So if we click the pull down tab on databases, we can look at A to Z databases, focus on those that are run Britannica or EBSCO. For college and adults, we can once again find resources tailored to them, and the same thing for K-12 students. There's also information for librarians and for professionals, which you can look at your leisure. But let's take a few minutes to go over this quick search, because in my opinion, the quick search is perhaps the most helpful part of this website. It doesn't necessitate you navigating anywhere else or trying to choose between all these different resources. You can just do a quick search. If you don't know what it is you want to research or look into, yes, browsing each of these databases is a wonderful way to go. But if you already have a general idea about what you're looking for, I really do think this quick search is best for you. So for example, let's say you want to find information about COVID-19. You can simply type in COVID-19, and you can also choose the targeted audience. There's stuff for healthcare professionals, stuff for kids, stuff for college students and faculty, but we're just going to stick with for everyone, and then we're going to click Go. Okay, so we now have about 187,000 different resources about COVID-19. And that's one of the issues with just choosing everyone in a broad term. You're going to get a lot of different resources. but we can, from this page, filter down our results. Look over here on the left-hand side, and this is how we refine our results. So instead of getting all results, you could try to get some that are only from magazines, and your page will update automatically. And now instead of having about 187,000 results, we have about 50,000 results. You can also choose the publication you get it from. So let's see. We open this up and we see there's a bunch of different results. Let's just click on Time Magazine and click Update. And then we're down to about 1,300 different results. And you can get rid of some of these filters by clicking the X over here. You can add new ones, whatever it is you need to do. And the filtering system works the same regardless of the database that you're working with or the age group. And then you just look at the results. Some of the most helpful results are going to be the PDF full text ones or the HTML full text, because that means you can read the full text. If you don't see PDF full text or HTML full text or Gale full text or something that says full text, then chances are it's just a summary, and that may not be as helpful for you. But there are a lot of different results here, and so you can either try to refine your search with different keywords, or you can just do some browsing. And of course, if you have any questions, we're happy to help you at the library. I'm just going to pop back to our library homepage real quick. So if you ever have a question about accessing KYVL, if you'd like some more in-depth information on it, or if you're at a big old result list like here and you're not quite sure how to filter it down, please just give us a call at 502-352-2665, and we'd be happy to help you. So I hope that you enjoyed that brief look into KYVL and you found it helpful, and I hope you'll be able to use that resource in the future. So you have a great day. Bye-bye.